Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I'm unboxing the Look Kyo Classic 3. Recently I picked up these from the marketplace. I'm not sponsored to showcase these at all. I got them with my own money from my YouTube channel. And let's get into this video and see what's included. Okay, now right here, this is the packaging. Okay, so we have a Look Kyo Classic 3. This is the third generation over here, and we have some specs here. So tension 8, 140 grams, 44 millimeter, easy clip in, clip out. Okay, now believe it or not, I'm gonna link these in description over here, but when I said believe it or not, they're still made in France. Let you see, it says right there, made in France right there. Okay, hopefully you can see. Okay, now let's go back. Now, this is how the box, pretty flimsy, pretty beaten up I got, so I apologize for that. Let's look at the first what's included. So we have the cleats, okay. See, old school gray like always, okay. And then over here, these are the pedals, okay. So here is your tension, setting over here. This is how they look like, okay. They don't come greased up like they shouldn't be, okay. And this is the next Allen key. You see, they can go on quite a bit, okay. Now they're quite smooth like they should be. I don't see any issues. This looks a little more durable, basically. I will be testing them out, but this little padding here looks like an improvement, and it's a little different from the first and second generation here. Okay, now let's see at the back. You have a Look sign, okay. Yeah, pretty nice. This is your bare bones, the cheapest ones. Like I said, they're not the carbon. They're just your regular, steel, whatever. This is how they look from the side, okay. And there we go. And there's a Look. There you go. Yeah. So there is gonna be, of course, the second one as well. Nothing to talk about there. It's just the second one over here, and then the cleats go back in there, and that's pretty much that. So I'm curious to know how they're gonna perform. The first generation has lasted me quite a bit, and I'm pretty happy with them. But for you guys that want to support the channel, I'm gonna link them here in the description. And that's pretty much that. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.